Nyinga Milton Ochieng. Duol machoko osuru e pacho ka KRA okoni nyaka sani gi bandho maromo siling trilion 1.4 ma en osuru mapok ochoki. Commissioner Simiu mochung' ne choko osuru e pacho ka okoni kwano ma kamano kara kamano nyalo dok piny kaluwore gi chenro masani KRA ochako mar wito oko moko kuom osuru ne jogo mabiro oro kwayo mondo mi ong'wonnegi. Jatelo no komachielo oyango ni nyaka sani jogo mosechwalo lipot e chenro megi mag osuru kata file returns osechopo milion 3, kwan mowacho ni malo kipimo gi higa mokalo e thuolo makama. Magi timore seche ma KRA bende osechako ayanga timo kampen mar sundo jopiny mondo or kwayo mar wito oko moko kuom osuru mibandhogi.
In terms of those who have filed the returns, and we have, that is a growth. Looking at, as of this time, looking at the growth of those who have filed that had not filed, it is a growth of over 16%, over and above last year. So all those people have filed returns, and those are more than. So that is a lot of those who have already been filing their returns, but also those whom we are encouraging through this amnesty program to file, whether it is a nil return or it has a payable amount, because the only way you can communicate with the KRA for us to know your status and whether there is a tax due or payable or not, you must file your returns. The 1.4 trillion, it is both principal tax, penalties and interest. Principal tax in that figure is 892 billion. Penalty and interest is 525 billion. So before the amnesty program, ordinarily what would happen is you pay the principal tax and then you apply for a waiver of the penalty and interest. And in applying for a waiver of penalty and interest, you have to put a lot of justification why you think you deserve the waiver. The beauty about the program, amnesty program, is that once you pay the principal amount, you do not need to justify anything.